I got a bunch of packages, as you could see. Got to start up on some of my reviews, and going to take care of those reviews before I head out. So I got a bunch of stuff I'm cleaning up here in the old Hornet, getting ready for the trip to Nueva York. So let's get started. Review time with Starboard. This is from Astro Al. It's a portable vacuum cleaner. I've had a vacuum cleaner for a long time. It's so hard, and we all know this. Let's see. You like that, huh? How's that? Boom. Boom. Sorry. Astro Al sent this to me. I have a vacuum. They seen me in one of my videos using my vacuum. I wasn't cursing or anything, but it just doesn't seem a lot of times these vacuums are, especially the portable ones. So let's check this one. This one's from Astro Al. Been about a week since I got it, and they've been asking me, when are we gonna see this video? So let's check this out. Check it out. Bubble wrap. Everybody loves a bubble wrap. Boom. Oh boy. Astro Al. Boom. There you go. Can you see that? Astro Al portable vacuum cleaner. Strong motor, bright LED light, multi-accessories, and compact and portable. I love the red light. Hopefully the light's in front of the vacuum and not just like a strobe light, because we'll see what goes on. Astro Al. Let's check it. Hey, thanks Astro Al for sending this to me. I appreciate it. I'm not doing any, I don't belong to any club. I don't belong to any, as I say in all my videos, I don't belong to any program that they have where you get commission and all this good stuff. I'll do is I'll put a description of everything, obviously, in the bottom of the video, but it's just going to be a description about where you can go to get this. So, oh, it's pretty cool. Little plastic extension here. See the little front of that thing? That's no, I haven't seen that, and well, mine's a little old, so maybe they just never sent those out here. So a little plastic. It's it's plastic. It's not cloth or anything like that. So oh, nice little bag here. Wow, Astro Al. Look at you guys. I like it. It's a cool little carrying case. That's pretty cool. See that? It says Astro Al. Boom. Oh, a little filter. That's cool. Always can use, those filters always get messed up here. Oh, check this out. 2 filters. Huh. That's different. Maybe they sent it to me by mistake, but you get 2 filters. That's awesome. There we go. Little attachment, probably, goes like this. You attach it to the club. Ooh, my shoulder. Oh, did a little action on the shoulder that hasn't been done in a while. You guys know I'm going through some shoulder surgery. There's a little brush. I guess when you get in the corners, you can go ahead and vacuum. And a little brush attachment. So you got the regular attachment, which is this thing right here. And then you got a little brush attachment. And I'm sure that just goes right on there. Push that baby right there. And there you go. A little brush attachment. You can always check that out. Careful, I'm pulling this stuff apart here. And there you go, the unit. Pretty unit, I'll tell you that right now. You can see it. It says Astro Al. Got little vents on the side. Little button right there, probably to get the thing out here. Sorry, my shoulder there. Let's go ahead and check this out here. There you go. Pull this right here. Oh, look at this. Another one's in there. Huh. Check this out. I'm already impressed. 2, 3 different filters. That's pretty cool. Can't beat that. Pretty cool, guys. Thank you, Astro Al. Sending me 3 filters. That's pretty cool. Filter obviously goes in that way. Got your little plastic here. There you go. It snaps in. It's not charged up, so I'm gonna have to get that charged up. Got the little switch right here, and your little button right there. It's a Astro Al portable car vacuum cleaner, model AHVC JY801. Working voltage DC 12 volt, obviously. Power 80 watts. 80 watts, that's not bad. Made in China. Note: for better suction performance, please clean the filter on time. That could be why they're sending you 3 filters. Okay, so one thing right off the bat is obviously it's a 12 volt connection. It's not battery operated, so you know, what can you do? It's about 10 feet. I can tell usually from those things. And there's your 12 volt. So you got the unit itself, you got the bag, you got 2 extra filters, and the connection. So how's that for action? That's pretty good. So there you go. Astro Al. Can't beat that. Let's go ahead and plug this charger in, or plug in the 12 volt, and see what we can do. The Astro Al going up here to my volt connection in the Hornet, the old Hornet. There you go. Not too loud. Normal size. Astro Al, long extension cord, very lightweight, got that light at the end of it. And let me tell you, this looks like it's going to do the job. Let's continue. Wow, good suction. I'm impressed. Boy, I can get to this whole motorhome. Vacuum a bunch of spots. Now I'm going to take advantage, and I'm going to use this extension, because this is the most important thing, I think, for us RV guys. Follow me. Come over here to the kitchen using this big monster 10-foot cable, and look at all the extra cable I still have. Look over there. Look at that. Come on over here. A lot of extra. This is what's really important for us RV guys, because remember, getting in these little crevices around the corners of this thing with big fat thing on the end, even if you had this, obviously you can connect that to that, but on this thing is really good too. I got the cover I just took off, but see how dirty it is in there? But if you got this little baby right here, this little extension, boom. There we go. Look at that. Sucks it right up. I'm always wiping this thing down. Always wiping it down, but no longer, baby. I didn't have this extension on the one that I have. But this is what's important, is to have things like this available. So you don't have to keep wiping it down. You say, well, you have a vacuum that actually does what it's supposed to do. And if you suck, and if you get down here, this is really good too. Get down here, open this baby up. I don't know if you can see this light right here, which is cool? That's pretty cool. Is you pull this stuff out of here, you can place this thing down. Hello? No one was having to stick this thing in there. Come here, look down here and see how much space I got. Boom. Any dead mice? They're history. Suck them right up, baby. The mice killer. No, just kidding. Dirt. There you go. I've been wanting to vacuum in there. And I'll vacuum the rest back here later. Pull this drawer out and I can get back there. But there you go. The Astro Owl. So there you go, the Astro Owl. What do I like, what I don't like? I like it. I'll tell you, it's light, it's compatible. It's not going to clean maybe some heavy duty hair or something like that, but it does clean and it does the job here in the RV. It picks up a lot of the dirt. I'm not just telling you that. It works a little bit better than mine that I have when it comes to suction. They send you 2 extra filters. How cool is that? 2 extra filters. You got the extensions right here. Most importantly, you have this thing right here, which works great for us RVers when we need to get in those hideaway spots. The only thing that I don't like about it, which it's not bad because the extension, the cord that you use, a 12-volt cord, thing's like 12 feet long. It's perfect. It gets to anywhere in this RV. One of the things I don't like is that it doesn't have a battery. It's not battery operated. But you know what? I have one that is battery, and that's the one I used. And I haven't been able to use it for a whole freaking month, 2-3 weeks, because I lost the power cord from it. So I couldn't charge it up. But you know what? That's why you'd get reviews, and that's why as an RV guy like myself, these kind of things, this Astro Owl is going to do good for you. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think. There you go. The Astro Owl.